the Bengal Bandh that has been called by the BJP has taken a political turn, with West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee criticizing the BJP government and claiming that it was an effort to quote-unquote malign the state. Let's start off this discussion. Joining me on the telecast is a very important part of this massive protest that has been carried forward by the BJP in West Bengal. He is the BJP president, he is union minister and member of parliament of the Lok Sabha. He is Sukanta Majumdar. Thank you so much for joining us, sir. But the first question about your big allegation that has been made, saying that Mamata Banerjee is instigating violence in the state. You've called her participating in revenge politics.
See, today in her speech, Mamata Banerjee used such kind of words that it will provoke the TMC goons and it will unleash a series of violence over the BJP workers, and this time I think the common people of West Bengal, they will also face that, because after the 2021 assembly election, a huge approximately 25,000 instances of violence have been recorded. FIR 12,000, more than 12,000 FIR was launched against those goons, and you know, it's almost we have at that time we have accommodated more than 1 lakh people in our camps. So this was the situation after the 2021 assembly election. So that's why we are really fearing that this time also, after these provocative words, the TMC goons, they will come and they will unleash the attack on the BJP workers as well as the common citizen of the state of West Bengal.
Okay. Mr. Majumdar, let's also try to understand that there has to be cohesion that needs to be had between the central government and the state government to resolve this issue. Why can't both of the parties come face to face and find a solution?
See, solution is available only with the state government. It is a total lawlessness in the state. Everybody is agitating. Not only the BJP is all agitating. And I don't have any hesitation to accept that this is the first time so effective bond, that is strike, that has been successful and that has been called by the BJP in recent years. So it is the participation of the common people. Without the participation of the common people, it was not possible even for the BJP to make it a great success. But people, though the common people, they have participated and they made it a great success.
Okay, but Mamata Banerjee has come out with huge rallies on the streets of Kolkata. She said that if it was in her hands, she will allow for capital punishment to be the resort that needs to be taken against rapists. She has again put the ball in the central government's court. How do you bring about the change? Are there going to be amendments that are going to be made in the law? Are there going to be bills that are now going to be passed in this regard?
You know, the Nyaya Sanhita that has been passed by the Lok Sabha and it has been already implemented. There is a very strict and stringent action against this kind of crimes. But the thing is that, as mentioned by our Honorable Minister Annapurna Devi in her letter, the central allotted 123 numbers of fast track courts, out of which 20 were the POSCO court, and the 60% of the total expenditure will be bear by central government. But till now, none of them are functional. So none of them is functional. So that's why this is the situation of West Bengal at the ground level. Mamata Banerjee is doing dramabaji, natak, nothing else. If she would have any kind of this mindset that they want to punish, or she want to punish the criminals, then ask her and ask her party what happened to the criminals, those who are involved in the Kamduni rape case. How many convictions have been made by during this tenure when the Mamata Banerjee is in power in this kind of murder and rape cases?
Okay. Do you think that political parties, whether it is the TMC or the BJP, have hijacked the very sincere, honest students' rallies and protests that had been taking place not just in West Bengal but across the country?
No, this is the agitation of the people. People are agitating. BJP being a political party, main opposition political party, it is our duty to raise the voice of the public. Still we believe that it is the agitation of the common people of the state of West Bengal. And we are just helping and nothing more than that. We are performing our duty as a main opposition party.
Okay. So what is the way ahead? Are you both going to keep fighting and bickering? It is about the justice that needs to be given to the family members, to the doctors and their safety and safeguarding their lives. What are the precautions, what are the measures that the central government, the Union Health Ministry is taking to secure the lives and safety of the doctors in our country?
See, I think we should not consider or should not judge this incident as a separate or as an independent incident of attack on a doctor only. For the last few years, so many incidents of rape and murder that happen in the state of West Bengal. Not only this incident, the rape and murder of a doctor inside a government premises, as well as when she was performing the government duty in the heart of the state and the heart of the city. It is not a separate incident. It is total lawlessness and it is the failure of the state government. Our demand is simple. Our question is simple. Who is responsible for this? Someone should take the responsibility. Either DG Police will take, or the Home Minister of the state, or the Health Minister of the state. The thing is that Home Minister as well as the Home Minister as well as the Health Minister as well as the Chief Minister, all these posts have been held by the Mamata Banerjee herself. So I feel the resignation of Mamata Banerjee is the only solution.
Okay. If we take a look parallelly of the number of rape and murder cases that have happened across the country, whether it is the Badlapur rape case, the sexual harassment faced by toddlers in Maharashtra,
Yes.
or we talk about the Unnao case.
I am interfering. I am asking you, give an example of a case which has the same salient feature. The incident happened in the capital city of the state, within the government premises and the heart of the town, and when the incumbent or the victim, rather I should say, when the victim was performing the government duty. Give a single example from the rest of the country.
Do we have hospitals across the country, government hospitals and medical colleges across the country? Do we have stringent security forces in place? Do we have security patrols that take place at night? Are you assuring me that the rest of the hospitals across the country in various states, barring West Bengal, have all compliances, allow for security personnel to be set up during the day and especially at night, and ensuring women's safety?
Security is not, I am not telling that everything has been done. It is not possible because the security threats are actually, always ever-ending challenges. But the thing is that at least every state government has that tenacity or that much honesty that they will try to punish the culprit. Here for 4 days, when the case was with the police, Kolkata police, they have tried to erase all the evidences. I am not telling that. In a sting operation, a lady doctor who was the member of that postmortem team, she claimed, even the parents, they are claiming the incident, the occurrence place, the place of the crime was not protected properly. One video came. In that video, it is quite evident that Dr. Ghosh, along with his all allies, they were grazing that place, like it was a tourist spot. Is this the right way to maintain
Okay, so
these things?
would it not be sensible and logical to wait for the CBI investigation to be completed? The accused is already under arrest. He is in the custody of the CBI. There have been interrogation, questioning that has been carried out by the CBI of the former principal, of the suspended principal of the hospital where this gruesome incident has taken place. Would it at this point of time not be a sensible idea to wait for the CBI to complete the probe and come to the conclusion as to what happened, how it happened, which were the parties involved, and therefore then put them behind bars, bring the case in front of the High Court and then the Supreme Court, who has said that we are going to be directly intervening in the matter. We are not allowing for the High Court to delve in the matter, and therefore would it then not be a measure that has been taken which will assuage the country, the doctors and political parties like the BJP?
We are demanding the proper investigation. Investigation is going on, but the way of investigation, if you observe it closely, you could understand that the tampering has been done with the evidence. That's why CBI has to perform polygraphic tests and maybe the narco-analysis in future. All these things are secondary proof. The body was cremated in hurry. Why? This question someone should have the answer. If you have an answer, okay, I am ready to sit in peace, cool and calm.
Okay, so then
you answer me. Why the local MLA was present? They compelled the parents to burn the body as early as possible. Why two body? Those are in the queue. Those were in the queue of to be cremated in that cremation center. They have been jumped. The new body have been jumped, and then it was cremated by the local TMC leader. Why? Why in the crematory?
Dr. Sukanta, would the countrymen, would the family members and the doctors associations and the medical students then be convinced, have trust in the CBI and be in agreement after the CBI probe gets over, and the people who are behind this, who were working, who were abetting this crime are brought to book?
See, the parents, they have demanded for the CBI. So obviously, if they have, as they have demanded for it, so obviously they have some kind of confidence over the CBI. But the thing is that someone should be responsible, should take the responsibility. Who will take the responsibility? Tell us. If it is DG Police, then he should resign. If the CP, then he should resign. Someone should take the responsibility.
Okay,
Why
should this happen after the CBI probe gets over? Would it not be logical once the probe is completed and then there would be action taken against the people responsible, and the responsibility that can be allocated to the individuals and the authorities who, because of whatever reasons, their lackadaisical approach, I don't know, political push.
CBI is investigating this case only. But in case of West Bengal, there are several series of incidents. Few years ago, just ask your team to bring those incidents. One rape and murder was committed by the goons. It is known as Kamduni case. You must be astonished to know the victim of that Kamduni case, they have been acquitted in the higher court due to the lack of evidences.
Okay.
Who was the investigation charge? You know? Do you know who was the investigation?
But
Investigation
okay,
charge.
at this point of
It
time,
is
we are mixing things. We are talking about one rape and murder that has
No,
happened.
don't talk about one rape.
And then,
That
and
is
then,
your misconception.
BJP at this point of
That
time,
is your
do you think
misconception.
it's a political ploy once again, you know, under the pretext of taking part in the students' protest and carrying forward the students' voice, you are once again attacking the TMC because of your political advantages and gains that are to be had.
You just give me the answer now. Why the criminals of Kamduni case, rape and murder case, similar kind of rape and murder case, they have been acquitted. And you will be astonished to know the same person, the Vineet Goyal, was the IG, CID, and that investigation was with the CID. So this is not a merely a separate case. The Mamata Banerjee is allowing the goons to escape from the judiciary.
Okay, all right. You've had your say, sir. Thank you very much for joining me on the telecast and sharing your views on the subject.
Anupam.
There is also the TMC Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament, Dola Sen, who's joining me on the telecast. Thank you, ma'am. And first question to you. The TMC at this point of time claims that the protests and outrage are not students but the goons doing it on the behest of the BJP. On what basis is the TMC making such a claim?
Personally, you also will understand that there are goons and who vandalizes, who does the anarchy all over. They are not Chhatra Samaj at all. There were no students. You can't show any student feature anywhere yesterday and today also. Only vandalism, gundagardi, anarchy by BJP, by the topmost leaders of BJP, from Shubhendu Adhikari to Sukant Majumdar, from Dilip Ghosh to Loket Chatterjee, from whoever not.
What does the TMC feel when capital punishment is what Mamata Banerjee claims is going to be the solution to the problem? Will it really?
Mamata Banerjee from the very beginning told that we are against capital punishment. We don't want फांसी की फंदे, लेकिन in general, लेकिन this type of horrified rape and murder के लिए हम चाहते हैं कि exemplary punishment हो जाए ताकि rapist डर जाए, क्योंकि आरजी कर की इंसिडेंट हुआ 20 दिन हो चुके हैं करीबन, 9th को रात को हुआ, आज 28th है, सीबीआई ने लिया 16th डे हो गया, लेकिन देखिए उसके बाद भी देश के अंदर 550-600 और भी रेप हुआ, कभी महाराष्ट्र में, कभी उत्तराखंड में, कभी यूपी में, बिहार में, उड़ीसा में, एनीवेयर। तो हर एक दिन अगर नेशनल क्राइम रिकॉर्ड ब्यूरो देखेंगे तो हर एक दिन 85 to 90, 91 रेप हो रहा है पूरा देश में। तो रेपिस्ट को भी डरना है। अगर वो डरेंगे कि ये लॉ आ गया कि रेप करेंगे तो कैपिटल पनिशमेंट ही है फाइनल, तो वो डरेंगे, उनको डराने का भी वक्त आ गया। ये ममता जी सोचती है, यही हमारा सोच।
Okay. Now you've also accused the central government of acting like a dictator. Do you feel that the police in Kolkata arresting the protesters, warning the doctors with summons, then builds an impression that the TMC state machinery and the police in West Bengal are also acting like dictators and autocratic?
No, not at all, not at all, because the protesting doctors आज 20 दिन तक ड्यूटी नहीं कर रहा है हॉस्पिटल में। आज भी ममता जी, हमारे एक स्टूडेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का ये प्रतिष्ठा दिन था, ये हर एक ईयर होता है 28 अगस्त। एनिवर्सरी डेट में भी उन्होंने एक महा स्टूडेंट्स रैली में भी बताए, जमायत में भी बताए कि जो डॉक्टर्स मूवमेंट कर रहा है, आज भी उन लोगों का रैली था, उन्होंने बताए कि आप लोगों का ग्रीवेंस हो सकता, आप लोग जस्टिस चाहते हैं, हम उनको कदर करते हैं, हम उनके खिलाफ नहीं है, हम उनको सपोर्ट करते हैं। और फ्रॉम द वेरी फर्स्ट डे शी इज टेलिंग दैट एंड नेवर एवर। आज तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने, आज नहीं, लास्ट दिन सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने सेकेंड हियरिंग में सुप्रीम कोर्ट का ऑनरेबल सीजेआई ने भी बताया कि अगर डॉक्टर्स काम में ना जुड़े तो ये स्टेट के ऊपर आएगा। तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के हाथ में है उनको शोकस करने का। लेकिन स्पष्ट रूप से आज भी ममता जी बोले हैं, हमारे ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर बोले हैं कि हम शोकस नहीं करेंगे, आपके ऊपर शोकस करेंगे तो आपका करियर में असर पड़ेगा, हम ये नहीं चाहते। लेकिन हम चाहते हैं, आप ओथ लिए हैं तो आप आहिस्ता आहिस्ता काम में ज्वाइन कीजिए। आपका जो फर्ज है गरीब पेशेंटों के बारे में, वो आप निभाइए, निभाने की कोशिश में चालू हो जाइए। लेकिन वो अपील किया, अभी भी उन्होंने गवर्नमेंट होते हुए सीजेआई की डिक्टम पर भी, वर्डिक्ट होते हुए भी कोई शोकस भी अप्लाई नहीं किया। और दूसरा कुछ अटैक का तो बात छोड़ ही दीजिए, डॉक्टर्स को उन्होंने कुछ नहीं बोले। डॉक्टर्स सिर्फ नहीं, आम जनता जो किसी का भी हो, जैसे जस्टिस के लिए प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, हम भी जस्टिस चाहते हैं। इसीलिए हमारे गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से उनके खिलाफ कुछ नहीं बोला गया। सिर्फ बीजेपी के नाम पर बीजेपी को भी कुछ नहीं बोला गया इतना दिन, सीपीएम को भी कुछ नहीं बोला गया इतना दिन। लेकिन सीपीएम और बीजेपी अगर उनके नाम पर झंडा लेके गुंडागर्दी करेंगे, वैंडलिज्म करेंगे और सब कुछ तोड़फोड़ देंगे और एनआरकी जारी रखेंगे, तो हम जरूर गवर्नमेंट को, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को तो एक्शन लेना ही है। फिर भी आप यकीन मानिए, सिर्फ वाटर कैनन ही डाला है और टीयर गैस, कोई लाठीचार्ज भी नहीं हुआ। पुलिस लोग अटैक हुए, एक एएसआई का आंख भी चले गए, लेकिन फिर भी कोई रिटेलिएशन नहीं हुआ। तो ममता जी पुलिस मिनिस्टर है, होम मिनिस्टर है, उनके कहने पर पुलिस भी बहुत सारे पेशेंस दिखाए। यही फर्क है सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की, मोदी बाबू की गवर्नमेंट के साथ ममता जी की गवर्नमेंट।
Okay, all right. Miss Sen, you know, the parents of the girl who has been raped and murdered have said that the crime scene was tampered with, and they have even accused the TMC government of shielding the accused. How do you respond to the accusations made by them?
We are not at all shielding. From the very first day, Mamta ji told that हमारे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, we have nothing to hide. उन्होंने पुलिस को डिक्टम दिया था कि 5 दिन के अंदर सॉल्यूशन करो, नहीं तो हम ही खुद सीबीआई के हवाले कर देंगे। तो 3 दिन के अंदर सीबीआई के हवाले हो गया, बस, we have no problem. Our local administration, state government and police, कोलकाता पुलिस पूरा के पूरा सीबीआई को हेल्प कर रहा है। कभी सीबीआई ने नहीं बोले कोई असहयोगिता मिल रहा है, शील्डिंग का तो बात ही नहीं उठता। और आप यकीन मानिए और याद भी रखिएगा, सबको याद रखना है कि सीबीआई अभी तक 16 दिन में किसी को नहीं पकड़े, लेकिन इट्स द कोलकाता पुलिस ओनली who has arrested in 12 hours of time period the only accused संजय राय। तो accused को पकड़ा तो कोलकाता पुलिस, शील्डिंग का तो बात ही नहीं उठता। और किसी भी बात में करप्शन का बात उठा, सीट गठन हुआ, उसका भी हाईकोर्ट में ऑर्डर हुआ, सीबीआई होगा, चलो उसमें भी सब हवाले कर दिया सीबीआई को। तो चाहे रेप एंड मर्डर विक्टिम को जस्टिस दिलाने के लिए और चाहे करप्शन की चार्ज के लिए, सब जो चार्ज है दोनों तरफ सीबीआई की ऑर्डर हुआ और हाई कोर्ट की तरफ से सीबीआई के ऑर्डर होने का बाद स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, लोकल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड कोलकाता पुलिस आर हेल्पिंग सीबीआई wholeheartedly.
Okay.
CBI also didn't accuse Kolkata police or local administration or state government.
Okay.
So we have no problem. We have nothing to hide. So we are transparent. We only want that 16 days हो गया. हमने तो पुलिस के पास 5 दिन का 6 दिन का रखे थे. तो 16 डेज तक CBI क्या टाइम ले रहे हैं? और भी जल्दी वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन खत्म करे और जल्द से जल्द फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट में उसका पनिशमेंट की व्यवस्था करे. ये हम चाहते हैं. शील्डिंग का बात ही नहीं उठता.
Now, we saw there was a massive bandh that was called by the BJP in West Bengal today. Now, the TMC leader Abhishek Banerjee has spoken and said that there will be TMC members of parliament who will hold a protest in the national capital. Do you feel this is a one-upmanship game that the political parties are playing at the cost of the lives of the doctors that are being lost because of this heinous rape that has happened? There have been other incidents as well. Can the political parties put an end to this dharna politics and actually talk about solutions?
देखिए, किसी लिए दिल्ली में धरना का, दिल्ली में मूवमेंट का बात था. ममता जी ने, आवर ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर ने ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी को, मोदी जी को एक चिट्ठी लिखा था. बोले हैं कि आप न्याय संहिता, अन्याय संहिता, दंड संहिता जो भी किए हैं धर्षण के लिए, रेप और मर्डर के लिए, ये जघन्य घिनौने अपराध के लिए एक जल्द से जल्द लॉ को अमेंड कीजिए और बहुत भारी कैपिटल पनिशमेंट वगैरह कोई लॉ लाइए ताकि रेपिस्ट डर जाए, मर्डरर डर जाए. तो इन्होंने चिट्ठी लिखे हैं, लेकिन उत्तर आया कि नहीं, ये अभी इसके बारे में लॉ अमेंडमेंट नहीं होगा. और प्राइम मिनिस्टर की तरफ से भी कोई रेप को खत्म करने का कोई मकसद बीजेपी की तरफ से, रूलिंग पार्टी की तरफ से, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की, यूनियन गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से हमने दिखाई नहीं दिया. तो लॉ अमेंडमेंट के लिए कठिन कठोर लॉ आ जाए और रेपिस्ट डर जाए, इसी मुद्दे पर, इसी मांग पर, इसी डिमांड पर हमारे पार्टी की तरफ से एमपीओ को लेकर धरना या मूवमेंट की दिल्ली में बात हुआ था.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.